And we're back with Yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo.
So what you doing?
Oh, well, you know what? In the middle of this, Father Johanna's husband wanted some coffee. So
Yeah.
we're just going to make a little coffee.
So it's
I'm putting
coffee
this
time.
in here. I don't know. Everybody probably knows how to make coffee, but maybe not. You know? And then we're going to use, we just use this kind of water filter. So we're going to pour that in there, and then we'll pour it in there and just put a few scoops of coffee, and we're on our way.
Sounds good. You gonna make a full pot or a half a pot?
Well, I'm going to fill it up with what's left here. What do you think?
Okay, and what are your measurements for coffee to water ratio, Mom?
Okay, well, I'm going to put in, this is for 8 cups, so
Okay.
that's what we're going to make. But
Okay.
actually, that's probably turns out to really be 4 cups around here. We have big cups.
Big cups.
And so, all right, I'm just going to pour that in there.
So how many scoops will you put in here with 8 cups of water?
I'm going to put in, these are like tablespoons.
Okay.
So I'll put 4.
Okay.
1, but see how they are? They're a little bit bigger than
Yeah.
you
Okay.
know, 4. Now, if you like it really strong,
Yeah.
then you'd put more in. You
Gotcha.
want me to put more in?
No, I think that's just right.
All right, that's good. All right, we'll do that, push the button, and that'll be busy while we're busy. Okay, just give me a minute.
Okay.
All right, and here we go. So we got that in there.
Okay.
I'm going to pour the water in there first because we already have the heat on.
Okay.
Okay, and then this is crushed tomatoes,
Good.
a little thicker than sauce.
Okay.
And today we're going to just put a little bit of whatever we had in our cupboard. Whoops, that's a little. So wait a second here. I'm going to get out the sponge on here.
And I had these things in the cabinet because we also use these 3 items for Grandma's lasagna, Grandma Lash's lasagna.
Oh, yeah.
So
That's
they-
right. So
they can
let's
also be
just-
used for chili or various and sundry other dishes.
Hey, Mike, would you put a little water in there for the grandma?
How much?
About a cup.
This is the tomato sauce,
Tomato
right?
sauce, yep.
Okay.
This is a small can of tomato sauce.
Okay.
And then, because I didn't have any, usually I put in tomato juice.
Okay.
But because I didn't have that, I'm going to add water to this. And
Okay. Thank you, Mike.
there you go.
So how much water did you have in that little measuring cup by the coffee pot over
A cup.
there?
Yeah,
A cup there. And I had rinsed out the skillet with maybe a half a cup.
So that's a cup and a half.
And then
Yeah,
we're
with
kind of
these-
filling up all these cans with a little water to rinse them out. So
Right.
what would you say? Maybe 3 to 4 cups of water?
Yeah, let's see.
Mixed
this
in?
Is 2. This one is, yeah, I'd say 3.
Okay.
This is 2.5, but I think we'll probably add some more.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
I usually just do this.
Nice. Yeah, that paste is very thick.
Yeah, it is. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more in here.
Okay.
Okay. It's a conglomeration, but oh, does it taste good. So
Yummy.
then I'm going to stir all this up
Okay.
so it gets all mixed up. And then we're going to put the beans in.
Okay.
So
Oh, yeah.
we've got kidney beans here, and then we also have lentils because that's what we had in the. So you can use 2 cans of 2 or 3 cans of beans, just depending on what you like.
Yeah, and we rinse these beans because I don't like the goo that covers the
Comes on.
beans. It just, ugh.
Oh,
So I like to rinse them in a strainer.
Look at this.
This already looks like chili.
Yeah, see.
And how long do we need to let it simmer?
So
for,
we're
Mom?
this is gonna be on low for, probably, we'll be stirring probably an hour and a half because it'll just,
Cook
the
down.
longer you let it, you could even put it in a crock pot if you wanted.
Oh, crock pot,
No.
yeah.
If you didn't want to worry about it, if you're watching the ball games or something like that, yeah, you could just put it in a crock pot. Maybe that's what we'll do.
Excellent.
You know what I mean?
Okay, we'll come back when it's cooked and we'll do a taste test, right?
Okay, all right. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving. rest today, maybe watch the ball game, take a nap. Bye.
Bye.